Okay, this is going to be today's video review for Tuesday, May the 3rd, 2016 for Drummond Energy Bands. Please read our trading disclaimer. So today in the morning brew, we had set up some levels here, 57.5, 62.5. This is where our bull bear control was set up for today. We talked about a refresh back to the daily mid, and we have a C wave down into termination on the daily. A lot of traders come to us with these systems that they learn on, intraday charts using different indicators and have no idea, or they've never been taught how to have some very significant levels. Our levels are amazing each and every day, and they hold price. So when they start to understand some of the levels coming into the day, and get a market report and understanding of how this energy from the crowd on multiple chart frames is simply put into a trading plan for them, they are quite amazed and very grateful for understanding something that's not going to stop working tomorrow. It's been working since the 60s. And Charles Drummond created it when he hand charted it with a ticker tape. Now, we just set up one of our weak dot push sells, alerted traders to it. This is on the daily chart, right? The middle one's the weekly and then the monthly. And this is the same kind of concept that took place yesterday as price returned back to this solid white midline for a refresh to push down. Now we're going to look at the same kind of refresh to this solid white midline I'm pointing to with the red arrow on an intraday chart. Let's look at that now. So here on this higher chart, you can see this red arrow here I'm pointing to. This is very significant. We're not going to get into everything, but this green line is a monthly line, very significant for us. And when we return back to this solid white, solid white midline here on this higher chart, we had a terrific. Now I'm just picking one entry, but that solid white midline is drawn here on this chart with the white dotted midline. And you can see how when price got up here, we rejected this upper pink energy band, very significant, and not after the fact. We wait for this to take place, and then we look to get short in what we call follow the yellow brick road trade plan in this upper yellow area. This is a crest of resistance that we're challenging, and just as the cash market opens here 9:30 a.m. Eastern, market's going sideways, but we teach how to interpret the crowd energy going through here that the crowd can't push up. And in fact, this white dotted midline here is pushing down. We're expecting price to go much, much lower. If you're interested and you want to learn a very simple method, join us today in the webinar. We're going to reveal how the crowd energy is showing itself so that you can take advantage and know where price is going to go in advance. Thanks for listening.